You know, we all get into what I call a wave, and it's a wave of emotions and feelings that we tend to go up and down with, and we don't even realize that we're on this wave of emotions and feelings. It's like what I want to relate to, like if you're surfing or maybe you're riding in a boat, the momentum of going up and down in the waves. That is the way life is a lot for a lot of us, and we don't even realize that this is happening. So, what I'd like to do is take a look at what I'm doing in each part of my day. And granted, each day is a little bit different, even though I have a specific routine, and I'm sure you do also, of what I need to do in the morning and how do I need to get myself focused and how do I need to get myself in alignment to what it is I want to create in my life. So, as you're going through these things, take a look at your day. Are you like on an emotional roller coaster? That's another way of putting it. And just feeling the waves going up and down of emotions, of feelings. Because keep in mind, guys, these emotions and feelings are what create and manifest. If we don't realize where we're at and what we're doing, what we're thinking and what we're doing and who we are, we're going to manifest things that we don't want, which happens all the way. So be true to yourself always and foremost. And this is really serious because most of the time we get so wrapped up in the family, in the business, we're trying to grow, and maybe things aren't going quite as fast or as well as we want them to. That happens, right? But when you're true to yourself and you can help others until maybe they have the faith, or you can help others until you have the faith in what you're doing is right and convenient and it looks good for you. And this will build a confidence. This will make you more confident. And because look at this too, also. This is really important. Failure is only a stepping stone to create what it is you're looking to do. Failure just tells you, you know what, that didn't work for me this time. I am going to go and try something else. I'm going to look for maybe a mentor. Maybe someone who knows already done what you're wanting to do. If you get in tune with someone who's already done what you're wanting to do, and you're willing to put in the time and the work to do these tasks, to do these skills, you're going to find that you'll be more relaxed, for one. You will look at the failures as just being a stepping stone. And I always like to make a statement to myself, and I even say it out loud, is I'll say, it's on its way. Correct? Because when you manifest something, it's given to you immediately by God. He gives it to you immediately. He's loving, helping God. The thing is, you're saying, well, I don't have it. I don't have the car. I don't have the house. I don't have the money. I don't have the good health. I don't have. That stops it right there, because you can only receive what it is you want. Your business will only grow when you become in alignment to that business growing. So another step I take is I stay away from negative people. I stay away from negative people, negative thoughts. These will take you down a rabbit hole faster than anything I can think of, because it just like boom and it's gone. You're right down there and you're right where they are. Another thing is TV. Stay away from TV. Do you know that they put the sounds, the back sounds that you don't really pay attention to, which is the vibration, is at 440 hertz. 440 hertz is the way that we have been programmed throughout our lives. We've been programmed. And this is for another video, but just to say, watch TV. Don't watch TV. Monitor what you do watch. Stay away from YouTube. If YouTube will be out there, and it's great, it will help you grow your business. That is a given. But if you're watching negative ads or negative broadcasts, that is not good for you at all. That again will take you down a rabbit hole. The news. Stay away from the news. It's so bad and so made up. If you watch, every news broadcaster will have the same topic, the same day, at the same time. It's because they're all owned by the same people. They have the same talking points. So look at that. If you're watching the news, look for other places to get your news. Go to normal sources that you may not think are normal, that are out there, that are promoting the news that is real and legitimate. Magazines is another way. Don't sit and read a magazine full of negative energy, full of negativity. Who cares what so-and-so is doing on the other side of the world? Who cares? It's not relevant to your life. If you can keep all that negativity out of your life vibration, you're going to find you're going to be more and more in tune to what it is you want and what it is you desire. So it doesn't matter what you have going on. When you ask for something, it is given. And I always like to say, if I don't see what I'm manifesting right away or really, soon, I always say it's on its way. I know it's there. I know that it's just waiting for me to get into alignment with what it is. I just know it's me holding it back. Because as soon as I'm in alignment with what it is I want, then it's right there. It's there for me. It's going to grow. It's going to happen. And it's going to happen all around me. It's going to happen around the people I love when I'm in alignment. So ride the wave, because you're going to go through the ups and downs. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared. And don't put yourself down, and don't give yourself any negativity. Because when you do, when you give yourself negativity, that stops your manifestations from coming your way. You're growing that home business, right? It takes time. Some people just click right away and boom, 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 it starts to happen. That's okay. Get with the people that know what they're doing, and that way you can get the right advice. You can get the right teachings. And that will help you to get into alignment with what it is you want to grow. It's all right there. It's just a matter of where we're at, what we're doing, and who we are in alignment with. Be in alignment with what you want, and what you want will come faster. Regardless, like I said, whether it be good health, the house, the car, the money, the trips, whatever it is. Be in alignment. Okay? Don't be afraid. Have confidence. And take what you want to the next level.